What's up, you beautiful creatures? Welcome back. So holiday season is coming up. Psst, I've got giveaways in every video in the month of December, which means you're gonna be indulging a lot and have lots of cheat meals like what I've been doing on my second channel. So excited. And if you want to maintain those abs, today's workout is for you. It is insane. It's just a quick 10 minutes HIIT workout that's gonna burn about 150 to 250 calories. You can do this before or after your cheat meal. I personally like to do it before my cheat meal because I can use all this energy to build and repair my muscles instead of storing it as fat. Now, if you want to burn those calories, you need to ramp up that intensity. But please be safe and know your limits. I've also included low impact versions, so just adjust according to how you feel. Let's jump straight into the workout. Today we've got 15 exercises, 30 seconds on and 10 seconds off. We're starting with star jumps. Start in a narrow squat and jump up wide like a star. Go explosive if you can, as we need to raise your heart rate. You should always do some warm-ups before working out to avoid injury. So if you haven't already, pause the video and do some light exercises to warm up and jump back in. We're about to take a break, but don't stop moving guys, always jog in place. Next, we have high knee. Bring your knees as high as you can and as fast as you can. Now, if you can't keep up, just follow the low impact version. Next, we have skater hops. Take a big jump to the left and then to the right. This exercise looks easy, but it will bring your heart rate up. And for low impact, just exclude the jump. Next, we have top jumps. Jump as high as you can and land softly. For low impact, just squat and do a light hop. If you're starting to get tired, hang in there. The hardest bits are the first few exercises. Now we have jumping jacks. This is the easiest exercise of this workout, so do it as fast as you can. And next we have burpees. Try your best to do it in good form and follow the low impact version if you can't do the jump. Like the sun gives into the moon, into the night. Time continues marching, it slowly grows. With each new one starting, I recall. Next we have high kicks. This will really kick you into gear. This exercise is great for your abs. Be sure to kick your legs as high as you can. Next we have squat reach. Don't give up now guys, we are only 5 minutes in, but at least we are halfway there. Squat down and touch the ground with your hands, and as you jump up, cross your legs and stay safe. If you need a little breather, just do the low impact version. Next up, we have jump ropes. Jump as high as you can with those invisible ropes. Next is single leg lunge with a jump. Lunge down and jump up as high as you can, and this is really gonna burn your legs. So exclude the jump if your body is screaming at you. And you can clearly see how much I was struggling too, but let's do this guys. Now onto the other side. We only have 4 more exercises. Don't give up now, just 2 more minutes. Next, we have jumping jacks. If you want to burn those calories, be sure to do this fast and keep your heart rate up, but stay safe and know your limits. Skater hops next. Hop, hop, hop those calories away. Just 2 more exercises, high knees are next. Try your best to smash this exercise. You've come this far, so don't stop now. And the last exercise is in and out. We're almost done. Great work everyone. You can do 1 or 2 more rounds if you like to, but do take a longer rest time before you jump into it again. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe, and also turn on the notification to keep up with my latest workouts. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!